In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Dropbox shared activity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the activity history for a shared folder and for a specific shared file, so you can keep track of changes with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to dropbox.com. Sign into your account the way you normally do. Once you're in, navigate to the area where your content is stored and locate the shared folder you want to review. This is any folder you've shared with others or that others have shared with you. When you find it, look for the small settings or gear icon beside the folder's name. Click that icon to open the folder's options. From the options that appear, click on More. In that expanded menu, choose Folder Activity. As soon as you select it, a panel will slide in on the right side of your screen. This is your activity stream for that folder. Here, you'll see a chronological list of actions, including things like files being added, edited, renamed, moved, deleted, restored, or reshared. Each entry typically shows who performed the action and when it happened, so you can quickly understand the context and follow the sequence of events. Take a moment to scan through these entries to confirm recent changes or to identify when something shifted. This is especially helpful if you're collaborating with a group and want a quick audit trail without digging through emails or messages. Now, if you want to view the shared activity for a specific file instead of the entire folder, the process is just as simple. Click on your shared file to open a preview. This opens the file in the Dropbox preview window where you can see its contents and actions related to it. In the top right corner of the preview, click on the three dots to open the file's options menu. From there, click on File Activity. You'll see a similar panel on the right focused solely on that single file. This view is great for pinpointing who edited or changed a particular document and when, which can be especially useful for version reviews or sign-offs. That's all you need to do to view Dropbox shared activity at both the folder level and the file level. Use these views whenever you need clarity on recent updates, accountability in a project, or just a quick confirmation of changes. Thanks for watching.